A2300 features a new built-in digital timer that displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2300 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Made in Japan, this rice cooker can cook as little as half a cup of rice and up to 3 cups, which is ideal for singles and small families. The black, thick, spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is nonstick coated for easy cleaning. The machine is equipped with superior induction heating technology, or IH, that utilizes a magnetic field to heat and cool the inner cooking pan quickly and evenly for better cooking. And the triple heaters in the bottom, sides, and lid provide even heat. The menu settings for white and mixed rice, rinse-free, quick cooking, sushi rice, and porridge make this rice cooker versatile. And the menu settings for brown rice and GABA brown rice add healthy options. The inner lid is made of stainless steel and is detachable and washable. And the detachable power cord makes storage easy. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
This is Zojirushi's new VE hybrid water boiler and warmer. Made in Japan, this unit has all the bells and whistles that one would expect from a Zojirushi appliance. VE stands for vacuum electric. It uses vacuum insulation and a stainless steel double insulated wall to keep water hot. It uses less energy while boiling and maintains water temperature for an extended period of time. This green technology sets the VE hybrid water boiler apart from other models. The VE Hybrid Water Boiler and Warmer is a handy countertop kitchen appliance. Tea aficionados will appreciate the 4 keep warm temperature settings, and everyone can appreciate the ease and convenience of hot water at the touch of a button. The microcomputerized temperature control system maintains hot water temperatures of 208, 195, 175, and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, all of which are optimal temperatures for brewing different varieties of teas. For example, black and herbal teas brew best at 208, 195 is ideal for oolong and white teas, 175 for green tea, and 160 for delicate teas. The VE Hybrid Water Boiler and Warmer offers a multitude of new features, including the Quick Temp mode, which reaches 160, 175, or 195 degrees without boiling first, saving both time and energy. For example, using the Quick Temp mode to get to 175 degrees only takes 23 minutes versus 4 hours and 35 minutes in the regular mode. All of Zojirushi's VE water boilers have this vacuum setting, which turns the heater off and uses only vacuum insulation to keep the water hot. Other helpful features on this unit include an easy-to-read LCD panel that displays actual temperature at all times, and a panorama window water level gauge which allows the user to view the water level, so it's easy to see when it's time to refill. If the unit is empty, it will automatically shut off to protect against boil dry. A delay timer allows you to have hot water ready first thing in the morning. Simply fill the vessel, plug it in, and select from 6 to 10 hours. When it's time to serve, the unit makes dispensing simple with its one-touch electric dispensing system. Another feature is the Cafe Drip mode, which decreases the amount of water being dispensed by 60% of the normal setting, which makes it suitable for brewing cafe drip coffee. In addition, the base swivels for ease and convenience when serving. Available in 4 and 5 liter capacities, the water boiler has an easy-to-clean, non-stick interior and a clear-coated stainless steel exterior. Zojirushi. Inspirations from everyday life.
Next, unscrew the gray quick connector from the saddle of the drain clamp and disconnect the two clamp halves. Insert a straight, thin item into the front of the saddle, and then insert the end of the guide into the hole drilled in the drain pipe. With the clamp lined up with the hole, screw on the back of the clamp and tighten with a screwdriver. Remove the guide and reattach the quick connector. Next, insert the white drain tube into the quick connector and push firmly into place. To connect the tubing to the circle, first insert the open end of the blue tubing into the circle's middle hole labeled Outlet. Connect the open end of the white tubing from the drain clamp to the hole labeled Drain. Lastly, connect the open end of the orange tubing into the hole labeled Inlet. With tubing installed, move the circle into position. To run water to your circle system, turn the cold water supply on and open the T-valve switch to point at the quick connector. Check for leaks. Before the first use, turn on the provided faucet for 10 minutes to purge the air out of the system. It is normal for some water to flow out of the faucet during this first purge. Next, turn the provided faucet off for 40 minutes and let the water tank fill. After 40 minutes, turn the faucet on for 10 minutes or until the tank empties to flush the filters and the water tank. This wastewater is safe for watering plants. When the tank is empty, turn the faucet off. After approximately 40 minutes, the tank will refill with filtered water ready to drink. Congratulations! Your Circle Reverse Osmosis installation is complete. Please contact Brondell customer support for any additional questions.